How's it going? Welcome to another DLTalk. Welcome, BTC community, Ethereum community, XRP community, XLM community, Energy Web Token community, Track community, AVAX community, Matic community, HBAR community, Luna community, Sol community, COTI community, Pack Global community, AGI community, all the communities out there, guys. Welcome to another DLTalk. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Who do we got here? We got Jason Geo first. Bart, what's up, G? How you doing, man? Jay Rollin, Jay Bulldoggin, how you doing, man? Mr. A, uppercut those likes. I appreciate you, my man. Guys, 10 likes already to start the stream. We're starting off hot. Appreciate everybody. Thanks to the 5 viewers in here. Live Art, how you doing, man? Cheers to you, dude. Cheers to everybody, man. Another day of gains, right? It's kind of crazy what's going on, man. It's awesome waking up to just these prices continuing to go up. Luna last night was a blast to watch. Waking up to this is amazing. I heard it hit about maybe 740. Yeah, it says its 24-hour high was 748. That is outrageous. It's probably going to go back up there very soon. This thing's on its way to $10. We've been calling Luna for 10. Let's go. Jay Roy saying he's loading up on some ZIL. I like that, dude. Guys, it's just amazing, man. Whatever you're loading up on, I'm just hoping it's making you some awesome gains, because really, that's what's going on here in this space. I mean, except for the XRP, but we know XRP is going to be doing its thing whenever, you know, at any moment now. I got a feeling this weekend we're going to probably see a pop-off. There's two gut things that I got going on. One gut reaction is saying there's going to be a big crash that's coming soon. And like by crash, I mean a major retracement more so. And then another thing is, you know, XRP is going to pop off this weekend. So, because right now it's just been ridiculous, man. We're waking up every single day with just crazy gains. But, you know, still not too many people even know about crypto or are even taking it seriously. Maybe more people are coming in because of Elon Musk and his investment in Bitcoin. So maybe this week is going to be super amazing in terms of the reaction we get. Because that's not even a week old of news. And who knows what news is to come. What if Elon Musk is just another domino that's falling and you just see some other major investors start coming into this space? You know, it feels like it's too good to be true. It feels like, you know, we're going to be checking out some news and checking out other opinions. Let me give you guys a preview of the news we have for today. We got Sam Zell calls you know, basically the space and the markets right now crazy, largely rampant speculation reminiscent of the 1990s dot-com bubble. We're going to look into this little PDF about IOTA, keep educating ourselves about IOTA. Bitcoin miner Riot Blockchain names Jason Les as CEO. Japan's finance minister calls on G7 to discuss CBDCs at Talks Friday. And then a little special announcement. And then we got the charts, as always, guys. So, guys, appreciate you tuning in. What do we got up in the past hour? We got Energy Web Token doing its thing to 1180 now for Energy Web Token. Track at 40 cents. My gosh, Track is just not stopping. Track's going to probably go to $1, man. This has some connections with IOTA as well and what they're doing, man. Yeah, definitely some good speculation going here. It's already doubling some people's investments who got in at around 21 cents. H-bar at 11 cents. Let's go, H-bar. I'm excited, man. Get on the Matic train and then transfer to Gala. I hear you, Jason Geo, man. Dude, everything's just popping off, man. Like, yeah, Matic and Gala doing their things, but, you know, you got things like H-bar. I think H-bar can go to where XLM is right now or where XRP is right now, like 46 cents. I don't see that out of the realm of possibility for H-bar. Luna, it's going to go to $10 and potentially, like, could be a triple-digit coin. Like, Luna does have that potential to be a triple-digit coin. People are expecting SNX to pop off any moment now, go to $50. I mean, this is what alt season is, man. Whatever project you have major faith in that you think is going to be enduring for a good long time or is a good short speculative play, you guys have your strategies and what you're doing. And I love hearing it, man, because, yeah, got to look into Gala more for sure. Got to look into, I mean, I bought actually some Matic at around 3 cents, so I'm pretty good with the Matic that I'm just holding for right now and looking to possibly trade a little bit later, but I think there's still a lot more room to go for Matic. Solana's at 7.75. Like, holy cow, man. This thing was at above $8 for a good bit too. Solana's just going to continue going up. That one has potential to be a 3-digit coin as well. Yeah, great project, man. People are really underplaying Solana. I can't believe the crypto space is just like letting Solana go 1,000,000% gains and nobody's talking about it. There's no hype about it. What other crypto do you know is performing the way that Solana is performing, right, in the past year? Yet nobody wants to talk about it or even... I don't get it, man. I mean, we talk about it here. The Blue Crew talks about it, but I think Solana deserves a lot more love than what it's getting, dude. That pairing with USDC, it's not even on Coinbase yet. So there's still more speculation to come for Solana. It's still under $1 billion in market cap. I mean, damn, dude. The opportunities there. I'm really excited about VeChain. VeChain's starting to run. And guys, TRX, I mean, a lot of us think it's a shitcoin, but hey, man, this is... A lot of shitcoins are getting speculation. Definitely big time speculative interest and short-term gains. I think TRX can go... What's stopping TRX from riding the speculation back to its all-time high at around 29 cents, 30 cents, you know, for real. But once again, I'm not a financial advisor, not a pro trader, and I'll never tell you guys what to do. Loving IOTA. You know, IOTA looks like it's taking a breather, man, but it touched that 80-cent mark, and that was sweet to see. For sure. IOTA's just getting started, man. A lot of these cryptos are just getting their party started. ADA's just getting the party started. XRP is still yet to join the party, which is an amazing opportunity. LTC just getting started. XLM just getting started. Atom, TRX, XTZ, IOTA. Filecoin, guys. We've been talking about Filecoin since it was what, like 18 bucks, 20 bucks, $36 right now for Filecoin. I'm telling you, man, Greg Kidd's portfolio, keep an eye out for that, man. That guy is at the right place at the right time and seems to know which ones are real boats in this space, man. That's why I'm excited about H-bar, COTI. Kava is finally taking off. Kava looks like it's about to go to... What do we got for Kava? Interesting that AVAX and Kava is like the backwards version of AVAX, right? Like if you were to flip them back and forth, aside from an X and a K being the difference in the lettering, it's kind of funny that they kind of go back and forth like that, AVAX and Kava. But where's my Kava, man? I know Kava just made some big moves recently. There it is, 390, getting closer to 4. This thing should be... Some people are speculating this is a DeFi king in the making. $10 is probably not out of the range of possibilities right here for Kava. Guys, what's up, everybody? Appreciate the 10 viewers tuning in. Thanks for the 12 likes, y'all. Always good to have the Blue Crew in here. We're going to start our first piece of news in just a second. I think when you guys told me, somebody told me about Mushroom Token, it went down like $8. That's what happens with these low cap coins, man. It's high risk, high reward, that's for sure. But if the Blue Crew likes it, I'll add it, man. We got Gala in here. It's just not popping up right now in the past 24 hours for some reason. But yeah, definitely got to get some more Gala just because of that Flare connection alone. Anything connected with Flare, I'm moderately interested in speculating on for sure. Johnny Morales in the house. What's up, Blue Crew? How you doing, man? Paid Network has good entry point right now. Okay, Robert Cox. We'll check out Paid. I think Crypto Squirrel made some awesome profits off Paid right now, for sure. Miles Parker, who's almost a millionaire. Oh man, I wish, dude. Nowhere close. But enjoying the gains, man. Enjoying the gains. I don't know. I got a feeling there's going to be, like, my gut feeling is, like, this is just absurd that we're just seeing tremendous gains daily, but you're also seeing more dominoes falling. So maybe this thing lasts for a year and then there's a major retracement. But I would just think there has to be, right? Like, I just can't believe my eyes on the, like, look at this. Look at Matic. Matic's just going to the moon, dude. Robert Cox saying Phantom. All right, dude. Guys, thanks for introducing me to some cool new tokens. XPH for Phantom? Is that the one you're talking about here? Yeah, Pack Global. I've been trying to get some more Pack, man. I think Pack's going to definitely run up for sure. Yeah, Legendary. The market's up, dude. Every morning it's just like Christmas right now. You're just waking up and you're like, oh, cool. My portfolio just went up like another, you know, however much you've got like invested in, and just like add like, you know, hundreds of % to that. It's just insane, dude. It's like video game numbers right now, for real. It's outrageous, the amount of speculation that's flooding in. So let's get into this first piece of news here. Sam Sell calls the market crazily, largely rampant speculation, reminiscent of the 1990s dot-com bubble. So check out what he has to say right here. This guy has some interesting perspective. So I'm going to lower the music, and then we'll check out what Sam has to say. Oh, come on, Sam. There we go.
Wanted to also get your thoughts on the phenomenon known as a SPAC, or blank check company. We're seeing obviously hundreds of these things with some prominent names attached to them, and lots of companies rushing into their arms right now. Does it make sense to you?
Well, it's like everything else. If done well, it's a very effective transaction. It's one of the few times where the quote unquote buyer is got enormous power. In other words, if you're a buyer of an IPO SPAC, you basically, the worst thing that can happen is you get your money back and the cost to carry. The best thing that can happen is that they make a very attractive deal, and then you have a decision to make as to whether you want to play or not. Now, as in every other case, and in the speculative environment we're talking about, you've had a number of these SPACs done with, you know, making money, going to the moon, and I saw one the other day on electric charging stations. One or the other, they're just, no positive cash flow till 2024. This is ramp speculation again, and very much like the dot-com boom. On the other hand, there are other deals that have been made where, in effect, they've used the SPAC in lieu of going public, and been able to, take comfort from the fact that they were dealing with someone who had the money.
Sam, here's my question about rampant speculation, and I don't disagree with you. The question, of course, is always the timing of when, in fact, the music stops. And I think we all remember when Alan Greenspan very presently said that there was irrational exuberance in the market. But what was that? That was in 96, 97. And of course, it then went on for 3 or 4 more years. And so what do you think would be the tipping point?
Boy, I you know, if I knew the answer to that, I'd be rich. But the answer
you are, Sam.
Oftentimes, it's unknown things. It's maybe an international crisis with Iran. Maybe a much more difficult, interrelationship with China. In the same manner, we now have house prices that are higher than in 2007. That in some degree it cracks. Interest rates go to 3%, not to 10%, but to 3%. And it changes the bottom line on everything that's going on. So I can't come up with, which action or which event will trigger a change. But I know, unfortunately, I'm almost 80 years old, and I've watched, repetitive examples of, unbridled optimism followed by unbridled pessimism, and then a balance back to the center.
So yeah, what do you guys think of that? What do you guys think of Sam's viewpoint there? I mean, do you guys think that we're almost like, are we getting into a place where it's just becoming unbelievable, and do we still have some more gas left in the tank? Or is this are we gonna be seeing an anniversary of last excuse me. So do you guys think we'll see like an anniversary of last March, possibly? Because even looking at some stock charts, it does look like there could be like a possible crash that does end up coming. And remember, Mr. Level Up is even saying that XRP was going to get crashed down to 6 cents possibly. And I can see some point of Sam's perspective where, right now it's just like over the top optimism in the space, in the markets. And remember, there's international catalysts that definitely can have a factor in maybe correcting the market for a short period of time, right? I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, the future is bright regardless, and the growth is exponential in this space, but it's just that case that we've always had to keep, like I keep in the back of my mind, when do we see real utility though? When do we see just not only speculation in this space? Is it always just going to be speculation in this space? Because that's what it's been, right? You think regulators are going to really come into the space like hardcore and start taking down the market? I don't think regulators really can stop this market from what it's doing. They just got to change their regulations to really start, fitting what the demand of millions of people looks like now. A dip and ship. Yeah, exactly, man. Because right now it's just absurd where you can just throw money into the space and you're probably making profits, right? I mean, damn, BNB's 100 per. That is insane to see Binance Coin at 100 per, man. Insane. But this thing can maybe go on for another year, maybe a year and a half, and then maybe there's a major correction point, right? Trying to figure out what to do with my trading stash, man. Do I just hold on to should I take my profits and maybe invest it into gold, which is probably at a hitting a low point on its trend line, right? And then just wait for this dip that should probably like a major correction that will probably happen to the space? Or is it just going to keep going up for the rest of the year? Is every month just going to be a month of gains? Right? Trying to figure out the right time and when to zag or zig when everyone's zagging, right? Fearful when others are greedy, greedy when others are fearful. That whole mantra, right? It does apply, man. It's just trying to figure out when's the right time. Like, my friends thought it was the right time to sell his Bitcoin at around 35,000, right? And look at that, it's at 47,000. That's 12 extra thousand he could have made on his on per his Bitcoin, right? Robert Cox, I hear you, man. Yeah, right. Take some profits and then maybe play with house money. Let the house money just play itself, right? Hold that for extra long term on the coins that you're invested in long term. I think XRP, there's either going to be a major crash that comes that's like a international dilemma thing, that's like a reunion of last year, right? And it's going to majorly correct a lot of these cryptos. And in reality, it'll probably be a halfway retracement for a lot of these cryptos, which is still healthy for the market, or still good for the market. But, you know, it'll start getting people a little bit cautious about crypto. Maybe all season's over, and the next thing you know, towards the end of the year, it just starts really ramping up, and it's just amazing, right? Johnny Morales in the house. What's up, man? How you doing? Optimistic, but I've got the bear market PTSD, watching the charts a little obsessively. Johnny Morales, dude, I got bear market PTSD too, man. But those bears are getting, like, destroyed right now. But for how long are they going to get destroyed? I mean, we've been waiting for these bulls to really come for a really long time. So 2021, it looks like it's just going to be, maybe it's going to be a year of just fantastic growth. But remember, there's always global catalysts that can factor into these markets, right? You know, and sometimes it does line up with the TA, but you think the TA will probably go in one direction, right? Where it just seems like there's nowhere to go but up. But next thing you know, you get a global catalyst and it crashes the market, right? And crashes in a way that is just a major retracement, like a halfway retracement. So example, you know, maybe Matic, it jumped from 3 cents to 10 cents. What if there was like a crash that was to come in very soon, and it just takes it down to 5 cents? You're still 2%, you know, 2 cents gains. People will probably get scared, you know, but then next thing you know, it starts shooting up to 20 cents, 25 cents. And, you know, the cycle continues. Mr. Level Up is usually wrong. I hear you, Missy. Jason Geo, yeah, we've been warned, dude. We've been warned. I mean, that's why we got it on this list for sure, man. I'm excited for Matic, without a doubt, man. I mean, the gains, just let the gains run with some of these coins, especially if you're holding long term. I wish I would have gotten into Space Chain, dude, but I signed up to Bittrex, and when I went on there, Space Chain wasn't listed there. So how the hell can I get some Space Chain? Like, I missed out. Dude, we were talking about Space Chain at 006, and I couldn't find a freaking way to get some Space Chain. And now it's at 6 cents. This one can really shoot up to be a $6, dude. I mean, yeah, past 30 days. 7 days has just been tremendous for Space Chain, but you know, blockchain on satellites? Are you freaking kidding me? J. Roy, there you go. It's a narrative, dude. That's the thing, though, is that these global catalysts really can, you know, make people, because this is what we're seeing in these markets is great uncertainty leading to great volatility. Right? So people are losing more and more faith in their governments. They're investing more and more into this space, but the space only has pennies of dollars in there where these big whales can really manipulate the space to their liking. So they're just letting us win right now for the short term, and then that rug is going to be pulled where it freaking has a major retracement, right? And shakes out some people from the market. And I'm not trying to bring negative vibes here, guys. I'm just saying, like, you know, trying to prepare us for, you know, there's inevitable corrections in every market. Like I'm a forever optimist, but I'm also realist when it comes to, you know, trying to figure out when these retracements are going to happen, because they can't just be green candles every single day. I wish it was, but it's just absurd what we've been seeing for a lot of these cryptos, man. It's been basically green candles for what, multiple weeks in a row now? Yeah, exactly, XRP bags. Maybe take a small percentage of gains, right? I'm just bringing this up because my gut is telling me about this, guys. So I'm just communicating. But if you guys feel different and you say like, hey man, I think it's just going to continue running for even a few more months. Like, you just had Elon Musk invest into Bitcoin. He's going to want to see some gains from his investment, right? Maybe he can afford to lose that money though. But chances are BTC getting to the weekend is going to probably hit 50,000, right? We're just beginning the week. Happy Monday, y'all. Or not Monday, happy Tuesday. Mr. A, in March? You think in March there's going to be a... Oh, are you like asking why I'm saying in March? Well, because that's when like the last crash happened, right? Was in March. It really began on February 14th and 15th. But the major one for stocks and everything happened in March. Guys, appreciate the 14 likes, the 14 viewers. Let's go to our next piece of news. Bitcoin miner Riot Blockchain names Jason Les CEO. Les has served as the board's director since 2017. NASDAQ listed mining company Riot Blockchain has named Jason Les as its new CEO after serving as an independent director on Riot boards since 2017. In a statement, Les said Riot is extremely well positioned to capitalize on the opportunities in BTC mining, given the company's strong balance sheet and fleet of next generation miners. Indeed, Riot has aggressively expanding its mining capacity and market value. Guys, I own some Riot blockchain, so I'm excited for hearing this news. It's probably going to shoot up the price, and you know, with Elon's investment into Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin moves up, Riot blockchain moves up as well in stocks. So Les will remain on Riot's board. The company also named Hannah Cho as a new independent board member. Quarterly earnings for the mining company are expected by March 31st. Riot shares has gained over 140% already in 2021, currently trading just above $40. Bitcoin rallied 60 or 50% over the same period. So getting a new CEO for Riot Blockchain, optimistic about the future. Looking like they're expanding, looking to expand. I mean, there's more Bitcoin adoption happening, right? So Riot Blockchain is probably getting a lot of phone calls. Yeah, Matic 10 cents. AVAX, my gosh, man. AVAX was at around what, $18, now at 32. Gala doing its thing. Gala's going for another run. It looks like it wants to break through that 2-cent barrier. PAC is running. There we go. Let's go, PAC. PAC is going to go to 002. PAC can probably go to a penny. What an opportunity here with PAC, man. That announcement with Flare. Let's go. Luna. Loving some Luna, dude. I want to try to get a certain amount of Luna for sure. And I love that you can stake Luna. That's what's awesome about it. And of course, Mirror Protocol. Don't forget about Mirror. Luna and Mirror kind of go hand in hand. Mirror is going to catch up to where Luna's at. Adam at 1530. My God. Yeah, Pac-Man. Matrix AI maybe going to go for 2 cents. AAVE back at around 500. Who's to say AAVE can't go to 1,000, man? For real. Ocean Protocol. Loving what I'm seeing from Ocean, dude. 85-cent Ocean Protocol. This is insane, you guys. Like, even MPXS is running, like, big, right? It hit about 001. It probably is going to go for another run sometime soon. People are starting to wake up to that. And, you know, speculators are just getting what they want right now. Filecoin's going to go to $40. My gosh. Man, so many good cryptos at the end of the day. I'm just like, oh, this one's doing great. This one's doing great. Good times, man. Popping bottles with everybody. How's it going? Popping bottles on a Tuesday morning with the Blue Crew. Esper Hunter in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you, Esper Hunter, man. And congrats to you, dude, if you're making gains. Yeah, I hear you, Lady Enigma. trying to figure out a good time to get back in AAVE. There might be just better opportunities out there right now too, huh? All right. So Japan's finance minister calls on G7 to discuss CBDCs at talks Friday. The G7 meeting on Friday is a virtual meeting and will be the first since US President Joe Biden was sworn into office on January 20th. Japan's finance minister Taro Aso suggested on Tuesday the G7 finance ministers should have discussions over central bank digital currencies during Friday's virtual meeting. The G7 meetings are attended by officials from Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, the UK, and the US to discuss global economic governance, international security, and energy policy. I think it's important for us to thrash out policy measures regarding digital currency issued by central banks. In December, G7 finance ministers said they see a need to regulate digital currencies, according to a U.S. Treasury Department statement. Last year, G7 attendees talked about responses to the ever-changing landscape of cryptocurrencies and other digital assets, as well as government efforts to prevent their use for illegal purposes. The G7 meeting on Friday is a virtual meeting and will be the first since U.S. President Joe Biden was sworn in on January 20th. The virtual meeting is ahead of the official summer G7 gathering in 2021, which will be held in the UK this year. Some people are saying London is ready. Let's see what happens with that official G7 gathering later this year. Oh, 3 months from now, Jason Geo? Hell yeah, man. There we go. Hello, there was a big blazing sun in May, right? That's what BG123's riddles would say. I don't know who's taking the riddles seriously anymore, but, you know, they are fun. That's for sure to speculate about. By the way, guys, so special announcement. I did create a Discord. Let's see how often I can be posting on this, but I wanted to just invite y'all, the Blue Crew here, to the Discord if you guys would like to join in. I got 2 tabs here, DL Trending and DL Trade for the DL team group here. DL Trending is mostly like news that I'll be finding and just sharing on this Discord, and DL Trade could be, you know, all of us to participate in, really. Cryptos to keep eyes out for. If you want to share screenshots of what you're seeing on the charts or anything like that, you can feel free to share it on the DL Trade tab here. And then DL Trending, of course, once again, just news or maybe deep dive articles or PDFs that you guys might have felt or might have found. Feel free to share. And then you do have the general chat if you guys want to join in on that as well. So yeah, here, I'm just going to invite y'all. And of course, doesn't require any money to be in here, guys. You know, your support here on the YouTube channel is enough. And, you know how we do is just crowdsourced, not trying to get you guys to join a Patreon or anything. You know, your donations have been amazing, and your support to this channel and the subs that are coming in, the likes, I just appreciate you guys so much. Shout out to the Blue Crew. So feel free to join the DL team if you'd like, the Discord. And yeah, looking forward to posting on the DL Trade, you know, maybe showing some screenshots of trade opportunities from the charts that I'm seeing, and DL Trending for any news that might be coming up and that maybe you want to see on these live streams as well. That's for sure. You guys are awesome, man. Let me know if you guys see the link there. People already jumping in and joining, I hear it. XRP Bags, Leland, you guys are awesome, man. Thank you guys so much. Much love. It'll be fun, man, because right now it is a good time to maybe, because it seems like the technicals are getting respected, especially during this alt season. I mean, they're getting respected in the way that we want them to keep popping up, but now trying to keep an eye out for retracements, good entry points, things like that. That could be a fun Discord to discuss those type of things and share that with the Blue Crew, you know. And I like sharing it with you guys right now because it's, you know, this channel is still really small, and the amount of people in the chat is still a good small amount of people, and I just love that everybody so far that I've given a wrench to has respected the chat, you know, even though sometimes you guys get in arguments and whatnot, but so far it's been really great. Like, I just love that there's no major trolling so far in the chats, you know, and I mean like major trolling where they're like, you know, just spamming the chat and stuff like that. So I just love that you guys have been using the wrenches wisely. Appreciate everybody tuning in. You guys are awesome. Leland Evans in the general chat. Oh, I gotta create a, I guess that's a voice channel. So I gotta delete this. Yeah, I'm gonna delete this channel. And then we'll create a general chat. There we go. Now we got general. So once again, I'll drop the link in the chat and then I'll stop talking about it. We can look back at the charts here. Oh yeah, Mr. A is always trolling, for sure. EOS is popping? Okay, let's go. Why isn't he? Oh yeah, EOS is on my list. 408. Oh man, EOS is back at $4. EOS is taking off, man. It's joining the party. This is just the beginning for EOS, dude. Here, I'll show you guys in the wide, because EOS is a great example. You guys know we talked about EOS as a possibly good opportunity just a bit ago. So let me give you... Alright. So if you go over to the yearly, right? Tremendous gains for Solana. It's almost really scary to enter Solana, but it's still so damn early that's why I'm like, wow, Solana could turn out to be one of the major kings of like this bull run, because it's already over 1 million plus on the year, right? But it makes it really risky as well. But this thing is just so early. It has the potential to be $1 billion market cap coin, right? But if you look at the coins that haven't gotten started too well over the year, I mean, Hydro is very speculative, Man is very speculative, but EOS is one of those that can really start joining the party in a big way, right? What else do we got? We got XDB, you know, Digital Bits, Ontology. We've heard some great news about Ontology. Remember the Visa news? It's fast track program with Ontology. DAG is just getting started. XTZ, Tezos is just getting started. BAD is just getting started. XRP is gonna get started very soon. XMR, Kevin Cage is saying XMR is gonna definitely go over $200 within the coming weeks, possibly this weekend. TRX is starting to do its thing and join in the party. ICX is definitely, I love that. And sorry, last time I saw ICX was around 80 cents at 91 cents. That's just spectacular, dude. ICX is so awesome. And it's just starting too. ICX's chart is hella sexy. IOTA and ICX are a pairing that I'm just super optimistic about. Kava is just getting started. It's going to go to $4. So there's a lot of these coins that maybe have gone up, you know, a couple of digit gains over the year or triple digit gains over the year, compared to like a lot of these coins that are already 1,000% plus over the year. These other coins are going to start joining the party. And, you know, especially if there's real utility, real fundamentals, and they're real boats, this is where these coins are really going to start to be popping off and looking amazing, right? I mean, Tezos could be a $10 billion market cap, you know. It's outrageous, dude. It really could just be a whole year of gains, would just be crazy. But it's hard to not assume, it's hard not to feel that there's going to be some international, you know, interference. Like there's just going to be something internationally that happens, right? MFT, yeah, mainframe token, dude. We were talking about, since the release of Tenet, we got so lucky because like I started really looking into mainframe token. I mean, I knew it was part of Arrington XRP Capital's portfolio and I had some then, but I wish or around the time that Tenet came out, this reminded me of Tenet. The logo itself, that red, blue, infinity type of thing, and the way the machines in that movie Tenet were. I know this isn't really smart to like speculate off just a movie. Obviously, there's other things that this company is doing and or this token is doing in the utility and whatnot, but I just got lucky to get in when I could, and I think it's still a great opportunity for where it's at. I mean, all-time high was what, 2.4? Yeah. 4 cents. Who says it can't go there? Who says it can't go to a nickel, right? Mainframe token looks legit. I think it's also part of the Hyperledger. Guys, 19 viewers, 16 likes. Appreciate every one of you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Lady Enigma, good to have you in the Discord. Appreciate it. Yeah, Johnny Morales. Solana is... People need to respect it more, dude. People need to respect Solana more. It's going to go to $10. Not enough people respect it, man. Not enough people respect Solana. Nobody wants to talk about a coin that has a million plus gains to it and is just continuing to go up. It's outrageous, really. You would think like mainstream media would be talking about Solana big time. USDC is not afraid to talk about Solana, and it's obviously integrated with Solana. It's part of Haryaka's portfolio, so it does seem like a real boat. Great Kid can't help but not talk about Solana in his interviews. He's also bullish on Filecoin, and Filecoin is just beginning to run up. And who says Filecoin can't be a triple-digit price? Right? Where's Filecoin right now? Gosh, ICX almost at 92 cents. ICX can go to $12, man. That's how crazy early it still is for ICX. Filecoin 37.52. My gosh, man, it's gonna go to $40 before you know it, and then it's gonna go to $100 before you know it, and then it's gonna go to $1,000 before you know it. Look at that supply, 49.53 million. I know Bullzilla is super bullish on Elron Gold for those factors alone, right? The partnerships, but also the token supply, the total number supply. Look at this total supply for Filecoin. Look at the total supply for oh no, not Luna. Where is it? Solana. Where's Solana at? Solana's like 500 million supply, right? AAVE. Look at AAVE. 16 million total supply for AAVE. It's at $500, but what stops it from going to 1,000, right? If the bullishness is coming, it's coming. It all depends on what research you've done on these projects, which ones you have more faith in than the others, because it kind of is like all of them are just going up. XLM is yet to pop off and join the party. I think by this weekend or maybe next week, this should be at around 50 cents plus for XLM, man. XLM's got to do something, dude. The chart looks too nice. Here, let's check out XLM's chart right now. So okay, so you got the breakout here, but now it's just having like a little bit of a weak breakout for now. I think you're just going to see a fat candle one day for XLM, and it's just going to soar it up to around that 60-cent range. We zoom out. Yeah, it's going to probably start meeting some resistance past that 50-cent range right there. Hey, Eladio, how you doing, man? Here's a wrench. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Welcome to the Blue Crew. Everybody welcome Eladio to the Blue Crew. Thanks to any new subs to the channel, guys. We're trying to get to 2K subs, and you guys are making it happen. Shout out to the Blue Crew. Much love. So XLM looks pretty good, man, on the charts. Look at that. There's if you look at the MACD right here, the room for the next potential run up for XLM is tremendous, where it can really take it. So you had the previous high here of 40 cents. This one's saying it could take you up to around 60 plus 70 cents on the MACD right here. RSI looking pretty good too. This one's just a sleeping giant right now. All these other ones are getting like big ass impulses. I think XLM is going to probably get that maybe at the end of this week. Same thing with that's awesome. I love that you guys are posting this. Awesome, man. Yeah, maybe this weekend, and XRP I think is going to pop off too. Who knows how these there's other catalysts that are at play, right? The political catalysts that are going on. All right, so let's take a look at IOTA. towards open and transparent cities. Let me get the music back on though. Got to keep this party going. Yeah, algo is going to be fantastic, man. We got to the journey for $1 for algo. We were calling for a journey for $1 for algo when it was at 26 cents. Mission accomplished. I think it could go up to $10, don't get me wrong, but damn, I'm so happy it went to that next level of resistance right there. You know, and then got to take some profits and then buy some more algo too. A little bit of a retracement. Yeah, the Blue Crew Discord. Oh yeah, I'll just call it Blue Crew Discord, why not? It'll be titled DL Team, and then we got DL Trade, DL Trending. The general, just keep it general. It's easier for people to find out. Appreciate the people joining in on this already. Thank you. So IOTA towards open and transparent cities, and IOTA ecosystem report. Supporting organizations, you got Energy Net, Entra, Energy, Powerhouse, Jaguar, Land Rover, City Exchange, Sopra Steria, Trionel, NG, Norwegian University of Science and Technology. You got acknowledgements from investors here, acknowledgements from Jaguar Land Rover, enabling smart cities, solving problems across silos, interoperability, right? Built on digital trust towards a new economy, built on digital trust, co-creation with the IOTA. Talking about smart cities right here. A smart city is a place where traditional networks and services are made more efficient with the use of digital and telecommunication technologies for the benefit of the inhabitants and business. A smart city goes beyond the use of information and communication technologies for better resource or use of less emissions. Right? IOTA's eco-friendly as well. Man, that's crazy, dude. When there's going to be an era of people, a generation of people that were born and raised in smart cities. It's going to be insane. What will smart cities look like? Above all, smart cities are efficient with the collected data, the pattern recognition enabled by artificial intelligence, and the communications ability of internet-connected sensors. The smart city tools will, among others, eliminate redundancies, improve the flow of traffic, control temperature and lighting, eliminate waste, optimize existing and future infrastructure, allow for informed decision-making by local authorities. Governments will also benefit from the increase of the use of the technology. Citizen-centric solutions respecting e-privacy will be developed. More efficient transportation will free up infrastructure for more people-friendly uses. Additional public waste bins with sensors will be available, potentially even automating recycling processes in the bin. There are just some examples of results that can be achieved when data-driven approach is in place. With DLT, e-governance becomes streamlined. Whether paying a fee, remitting taxes, obtaining a license of reporting an issue, e-governance permits, communication and payments that are transparent, immutable, private, and instant without the need for human manipulation. The system grows without requiring additional bureaucrats, allowing the savings to be applied elsewhere. This is what like the stack kind of looks like, I suppose. You got the total base of it all. You got the city infrastructure, and then the exchanges done. Some challenges that exist, I suppose. Solving the problem across silos. Talking about interoperability. Permissionless system. Zero fee structure. Open source. High transaction throughput. Low energy footprint. Kind of reminds me of XRP. That's why I kind of like looking at IOTA, man, and, you know, giving it its due. Also part of the Hyperledger Consortium, using the Tangle. The IOTA Tangle is highly scalable, zero-fee microtransactions. Future is microtransactions without a doubt. Real-time transactions, secure data transfer for organizations, low resource requirements, offline transactions as well, quantum resistant. IOTA is resilient to the next generation of computing. No block times or lengthy validation periods. Transactions and data can be published, validated, and digested within milliseconds. This is why we like Solana as well, man. Those high transaction TPS systems, the ones that are real boats that are really solving problems for payments and making payments a lot easier and more liquid, definitely stand to benefit, I think, in this bull market. That's why I'm waiting for Nano to run. I think Nano is going to shoot up to $8 from where it's at right now. $10 for sure. IOTA and Nano are very similar in that regard. IOTA is focused on working within and across several organizations, industry, and geographies. Our inclusive approach brings various actors together within a global and cross-industry ecosystem into the process of applying technology. We establish common learnings and share experiences as the application of the technology and use cases mature. They got a test bed in Norway. IOTA aims to continue establishing common learnings and shared experiences to bring together private and public stakeholders in order to shape a scalable, interoperable, and secure digital infrastructure for future smart cities. IOTA's foundation primary goals. About IOTA. IOTA is a global, not-for-profit, nonprofit foundation incorporated and headquartered in Germany. The IOTA Foundation's mission is to support the research and development of new distributed ledger technologies, DLT, including IOTA Tangle. The foundation encourages the education and adoption of distributed ledger technologies through the creation of ecosystems and the standardization of these new protocols. The Tangle moves beyond blockchain by providing the world's first scalable, feeless, and fully decentralized distributed ledger technology. The Tangle uses its own unique technology to solve three fundamental problems with blockchain technology: high fees, scaling, and centralization. It is an open source protocol connecting the human economy with the machine economy for facilitating novel machine-to-machine interactions, including secure data transfer, feeless micropayments, and a secure access control for devices. So IOTA has a good YouTube channel as well. This is what their website currently looks like. Granted, it's a minimized one that I'm using here. So securing data protects integrity, empowering the people, helps people securely navigate their digital lives. The Tangle is actually really fun to watch as well. And if you watch Hyperledger, back in 2019, November 26th, IOTA's been part of the Hyperledger fabric for some time, but IOTA integrate Hyperledger fabric with the IOTA Tangle. And guys, we know Hyperledger fabric, you know, so many big names connected to that, to Hyperledger, and it's just getting, you know, Hyperledger is really just, hasn't even really launched to mass scale, but you know, these institutions are implementing Hyperledger big time. So open collaboration, integrate Hyperledger Fabric with IOTA, Tangle. The data capabilities and respective utilities coming out of the ecosystem have been exciting and progressive in many regards. At IOTA, we've been working to progress the state of DLTs in a permissionless context with flexible capabilities surrounding both data and value transfer. This bridge will enable direct integrations of both Hyperledger Fabric and IOTA capabilities together by functioning as an IOTA connector. By doing this, it allows IOTA Tangle to act as a connective tissue between permissioned Hyperledger Fabric-based systems and allows for more fluid data sharing and validation with siloed permission systems, right? We like these type of bridge systems, like the XRPs, like the IOTAs, like the XLMs, right? IOTA is such a big sleeper in my opinion, man, but that's why I'm just trying to spread some more education out there about it. But this is just me, you guys. It's my journey with IOTA. You know, never tell you guys what to do, that's for sure. $38.60 for Filecoin, unbelievable. Let's see what you guys are talking about in the chat. Oh, you're getting some buffering on your side, Mix. Maybe, how's everybody else doing? VeChain is gonna blow XLM and XRP up. I like that, man. Yeah, I like me some VeChain too, dude. Texas Crypto asking about VeChain. What does it look like after 4 cents? I mean, it's a price discovery from there, my man. Here, I gotta go to the wide, so give me a sec. Crypto Way of Life. How you doing, dude? Welcome to the channel. Guys, appreciate the 25 viewers, the 23 likes for the stream. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much.
And make sure it sound right, boys.
All right, so 3.6, it's on a breakout. I mean, I think honestly it's going to surge past 4, and you're probably going to start meeting a resistance at around 6 cents, believe it or not. It'll probably be 5.5 to 6 cents, somewhere around there. You'll start meeting your resistance. I think VeChain has been consolidating for so long. I think it's going to be a mega pump you're going to see. It's going to be, I think some people are going to FOMO hard once they see it at around 4.5. It's going to carry it to around 5.5, maybe touch 6. Then you get another moment of consolidation right there. Yeah, man. Honestly, dude, I would be just hodling long with VeChain for this one, but that's my personal opinion. Just don't speak emoji well. I hear you, dude. Yeah, Texas Crypto. I think VeChain is ready to pop off. Like, it's been sideways consolidating since beginning of January, basically, up until now. So for basically a whole month, it's been consolidating. I think VeChain is about to run, for sure. Yeah, Filecoin and VeChain, gonna be tremendous. Oh yeah, dude. VeChain, okay, so, dude, yeah, 7 cents? Do I dare say 7 or maybe close to 10 cents? Look at this MACD, right? Look at the overall bullishness since November of 2019. Look at that exponential growth right there, right? So yeah, I'll say 6 cents is going to be a safe area right there. 5.5, 6 cents would probably be a decent time to take some profit before the next correction. But it's been consolidating for a good bit, so it really could just be a fat candle that maybe takes you up to 8, possibly 10 cents, and then you get a massive wick from there. February 12th is going to be a big day for EOS. Why are you saying that, Jason Geo? You think, is it because of the release of Blancos, or is there other stuff going on with EOS that I don't know about? Definitely would like to know, man. Excited for EOS for sure. Jason Geo knows his crypto. Texas Crypto saying my 1 million likes the sound of that. Hey, man. People are going to be very... Dude, people who took advantage of VeChain when it was down that sub-penny and knowing what they're holding, you know, are probably going to be rewarded handsomely, but we'll just have to see, dude. Remember, there's global catalysts that can really come into play at any time, but I think for sure VeChain has such a long-term potential. It's more, you know, it's definitely a long-term token. And, you know, it's funny, nobody really talks about this anymore in terms of VeChain, but what if they do end up actually partnering with Ripple? Sunny Liu did say, I think they would be a great partner. We have talked to their team before, so they are aware of each other. Who says that there can't be a partnership between VeChain and XRP down the line, right? Or Ripple, I mean. Ace in the house. What's up, dude? How you doing, man? Guys, appreciate everybody tuning in. Thanks for the 24 likes. We're going to be wrapping it up very soon. Thanks for joining in on another DL Talk. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. You guys are tremendous. Thank you guys so much, man. It's just beautiful seeing the gains. Beautiful seeing Blue Crew making gains. And I'm excited to hear about the cryptos that you guys are looking forward to pumping in the short term, long term, whatever term, man. It's just exciting times for sure. Unbelievable, man. Filecoin's going to go to 40. ADA is going to go back above 70 cents. Solana's taking a breather. Elrond Gold's taking a little bit of a breather. Algo doing its thing, dude. Algo looking to do its next run up very soon. Unbelievable times we're in, man. XDB at 2 cents. XDB's going to $5. I mean, 5 cents, not $5. That'd be crazy if XDB went to $5. You never know, man. Some people thought when BTC was at $36 that was a great point to exit, and now look at where BTC is at, right? Oh snap, we got a Texas Crypto dropping a $20 bomb. You are awesome, my dude. You are amazing, man. Thanks for that awesome super chat. I like that sticker. That super sticker is so sweet. You are amazing, Texas Crypto. Yeah, you never know. FVET could be a possibility. It could be one of those new F assets. Yeah, mix, dude. I'm excited for MPXX. I've been buying some MPXX because I really think the train is just really starting to leave for that one. Speculation, dude. Speculators are getting what they want right now, and if speculators are seeing MPXX, people are aware of MPXX in crypto. There's gonna probably be some FOMO that's coming in right now, and in the next couple of weeks, you could be seeing MPXX at what 002, 005. Alchemist in the house. What's up, man? Yeah, it's whale time for sure. I mean, it's just hard. Like, there's a common theme to all these like things that I'm saying. It's all like exponent. It's like, yeah, it's gonna go up. It's not hard to predict, right? But it's like looking at, it's trying to figure out, is it too good to be true at the same time? That's what we were talking about earlier. Is like, it's just crazy. Literally, it's just day after day of gains. Unbelievable. Gonna blast off for days, right? Kevin Martin, what's up, dude? Here's a wrench. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Everybody welcome Kevin Martin. Ooh, Pundi and Dent. I know some people are excited about Dent for sure. I don't have any Dent, but I'm excited for Pundi. Yeah, exactly, Alchemist. Everyone's a genius in a bull market. That's why I'm like, I try to zag when everyone's zigging, but it's, even I'm getting emotionally excited because I'm just seeing, gains that I just didn't even think would happen in such a short period of time, right? And I'm sure some of y'all are seeing that too. Yeah, XRP still at the bus stop, dude. I'm excited, man. I've been accumulating that too. Kevin Martin, I like that, man. What about those coins such as Dent that are super cheap? Can they 100x? I heard Dent has utility while other cheap coins don't. I mean, dude, if you've done, like, at the end of the day, that's, if you're trusting your research on that one, low cap coins, low price coins have extremely high volatility. So yes, high risk as well as high reward. But, if you really think there's strong fundamentals to it as well, then yeah, it's just the icing on the cake. That's why we kind of like, here, let me see which ones haven't really joined the party yet that we still have faith in, right? Hydro, I still have faith in. EOS, for sure. Jason Gio has been talking about EOS as well, but EOS I have faith in to join the party sometime soon. XDB, DAG is just getting started. XTZ is just getting started. TRX is probably just getting started, but ICX, even though at 91 cents and it's going to hit $1, don't let that fool you, man. This thing was at $12 once before. There is a possibility it can go at least halfway to that. IOTA is doing its thing. Algo is doing its thing. I mean, it's just so many damn good cryptos out there. It's like, we were saying it last night. You can just throw your money in the air, like without even having done any research. Just throw it at one of the top 10, top 20 cryptos, and you're probably making gains. Yep, it's all about the money. It's all about the money. It's all about the dum 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 dum. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining in on this DL Talk. Always good hanging out with everybody, guys. Thanks for joining the Discord as well. I'll drop the link one more time in the chat before I tune out. But I just want to thank all of you guys for your support. You guys are tremendous, man. Let's go back to the main screen. Appreciate it, Kevin Martin. Peace out to you, my man. Here's the link once again, everybody. Once again, thank you for the donations. Johnny Morales, Texas Crypto, you guys are unbelievable, man. Thanks to any new subs to the channel. We're trying to get to 2K subs. You guys are making it possible. Shout out to the Blue Crew. You guys, I won't ever ask you to join a Patreon or anything like that. You guys, you guys keep this channel alive the way that you're doing it already as is, and you guys are helping it grow. It's just amazing. Much love to y'all. Yeah, thank you. BTC community, Ethereum community, ADA community, XRP community, DOT community, BNB community, LTC community, Link community, Doge community, XLM community, AAVE community, EOS community, Atom community, TRX community, SNX community, XMR community, XEM community, XTZ community, Crypto community, DLT community, Blue Crew community, all the communities out there. The future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you later. Much love. Adios. I gotta pick a different song for this one. Where is it at? Where is it at? Much love, Blue Crew. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.